In this video, you'll learn how to copy a channel link on Slack. This process will enable you to easily share links to specific channels with your team members or anyone else who may need access. Begin by opening the Slack application on your computer or navigating to the Slack web app in your browser. Make sure you are signed into your Slack workspace to access your channels. If prompted, enter your credentials to log in. Once you are in Slack, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here, you will see a list of channels that you are a part of. To find the channel you want to share, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top of the sidebar. After identifying the desired channel, click on it to open the conversation. Next, with the channel open, right-click on the channel name at the top of the chat window. This action will open a context menu with several options. Ensure you are clicking directly on the channel name for the correct options to appear. After the context menu appears, look for the option labeled Copy Link. Click on this option to copy the channel link to your clipboard. You will not see any confirmation message, but the link is now stored in your clipboard and ready to be pasted. To confirm the link has been copied successfully, you can paste it into a document or message by right-clicking in the text area and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Control+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. If you intend to share the link with others, ensure that they have the appropriate permissions to access the channel. If the channel is private, only those who are members will be able to use the link to join. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.